Hi, I'm Chef Paul. This is my side chef.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Kai.
And we're making cookie brownie. Yeah. Okay. So, do you want to read off the directions, Kai?
Of course. So we're going to start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then after we've done that, we're going to grease our pan. Chef Paul, please. Okay. That looks great. And now we're going to begin with the brownie mix making.
Okay. So, Kai right now is pulling out 2 packets of brownie mix and cookie dough. Right now, I'm going to be making brownie mix and he's going to be making the cookie dough.
So should we start at the same time?
I guess we should do it at the same time, yeah.
Alright.
Should we get scissors right off this to explode? Oh yeah.
Actually, doesn't this one open?
I want to see it. It's a japping knife.
You got that. There you go. Oh.
I actually cut my finger there.
Right now, I'm going to get 2 tablespoons.
Okay, wait, I'm bleeding. Bleeding.
Please.
Keep going.
I'll be back.
Kai had. Okay, so Kai had a bit of a malfunction. He cut himself with a knife trying to open the cookie dough mix. So we're just gonna keep going and hope no one else hurts themselves. Okay, we have the brownie mix right here. We're not gonna need that for a while. Right now, I need 2 tablespoons of water to put in this thing. Okay, let me pour that real quick. That's 1. There's 2. Okay. Next up should be 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. So the thing's over there. Okay. So 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Let's see. If I do too much, that's gonna be really bad. Okay, that seems like enough. Okay. Let's pour that in. Okay. What else after this? Oh, Kai's coming back.
Kai coming back.
Alright, I'm back with a makeshift Band-Aid.
Okay, he's gonna get mic'd up again.
I actually cut.
Oh, yeah.
That actually sucks.
Is it like really bad or is it just like a paper cut? Okay. So.
I did cut myself. Whatever. Alright, continue.
Okay, so the brownie batter, we're gonna need 1 egg. We're gonna need to. Paul, do you want to crack the egg?
Yeah.
Okay. So. There you go. Okay, so take the. Where can we put it? Get the paper towel. Put it on the paper towel over there. Okay. Now, we're gonna need to mix it. Where's the mixing? I gotta. Gonna stir it for a while. Stir that up a bit.
Alright, while he's stirring, I'm gonna begin with the chocolate chip cookie mix. So, we start out by just pouring it in to another bowl, a separate bowl. Cut this. Okay. And now we add 3 tablespoons of butter, which is already softened, as you can see. So we'll add that. Wait, Mr. Devlin?
Yeah.
Did you put that whole stick of butter in there?
Yes.
Sheesh. Okay, that might be a little bit too much. I think how much is in 8 tablespoons in a cup?
How many tablespoons was that?
not in a cup, sorry.
Yeah.
That was half a stick.
Because so you need to use 3. So they,
About right. I would just go with it.
I'm gonna put it in here.
all right, now I'm gonna stir the 3 tablespoons of butter and the cookie dough mix in this separate bowl. After you stir it a little bit, you add 2 tablespoons of water. Andrew, can I use the tablespoon, please?
Yep.
Thank you. Paul, why don't you do a little dance for us while I'm pouring in the water? 1, 2.
Okay. So now we're gonna need to pour the brownie mix into this. Paul, do you want to do that real quick?
Yeah.
Pour all that in. Oh.
Great job, Paul. Great job.
Almost there. Okay. Okay.
A mess.
Now we just gotta mix all of this. But Kai's got the mix right now.
I do. Do you want me to clean this off?
No, it's fine. We're just gonna mix it all together anyways.
Here's
We
the
are
finished
making.
cookie dough. It looks pretty nice. And that's cookie dough.
Okay. It doesn't really matter if we mix everything since we are making cookie brownies, so
Yes.
it's gonna mix it together. Okay. So let's stir it a bit. I don't know if we're
Thank you.
Oh yeah, that's looking nice. It's gonna look real chocolatey.
Yeah, it was good. It was too yum. Ooh.
Wow, doesn't that look good, Paul?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was great.
Yes, absolutely. Oh.
Yeah, there's still a bit. Do you want to pour that in? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna continue mixing. Okay, so once we're done mixing all of this stuff, we're gonna first pour in the brownie mix, and then after that, you're gonna want to take like pieces of the cookie mix, which is cookie dough now, and like take pieces of it and like put it on top of the brownie.
Yeah, and once it's done baking, it'll
Yeah.
lay out. It'll look nice.
Okay, so we're mixing.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's good. Looks good.
Yeah, it was good. It was
Show the
good.
camera here. See that? It's a good
It
chocolate.
was good.
Yeah.
Here, let Paul pour it into the fountain.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. I was good.
Stick.
Paul, do you want the stick?
I don't
Okay,
think.
well, I mean, you're gonna have to end up scraping some of that.
Yeah. Okay. So just scrape.
So here, I'll hold this first, okay?
Okay.
Pour what you can. Oh my god. Pour what you can into the pan.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it going?
Come on. Come here.
There we go.
Yeah. Look at that. That's what cool impression. Ooh.
Nice. Here, you want me to scrape the rest
Yeah,
out?
sure. Scrape it.
Okay. So while Kai is scraping the rest of that out,
Yes.
we're just gonna
Scraping.
watch him. So, oh wait, we could get the cookie dough and put it on top.
That's
So
true.
once Kai scrapes all of it, you're gonna want to make sure it's spread across the pan, make sure it's evened out, spread across. And then you can put the cookie dough. You don't want to just put it there and mix it all together. That'll just look really messy once you get it out of the oven. So, okay. You think you got it? Or?
Yeah, I think I got it. Got most of it.
Nice job. Kai, Andrew.
Alright.
We got it in here.
Just even out the brownie mix a little
Shake
bit.
it, shake it, shake it.
But you can see, you know, it's not filled very much because we're gonna have to put the cookie dough in, and then it'll fill up. So we can start with the cookie dough process. Okay. So you're supposed to put like 3 rows of 3 of 1 tablespoon size cookie dough balls, but I'm just gonna use my hands because it's just easier. And so here, everyone can just take a little bowl and try to make like a 3x3 structure.
Yeah. There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, here you go.
It's not gonna be as much dough.
Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, and keep going. Ooh, look at it good. I'm pressing.
It does look impressive.
Drop it, keep going.
Yep.
Oh.
There we go. With that,
There's a little bit left.
yeah. You want to make sure you get everything, because even the littlest bit at the end and around it, when you add that up, that'll just be like a big combo. So you don't want to waste it. I can't eat the Tabasco.
Okay. So now we have put, here, show the camera.
Yeah. You
Now
got
we
this.
have put our cookie balls into the brownie mix. And now pretty much we are ready to bake. Depending on what pan size you have, it differs. So we have an 8x8 pan. So we're baking for 34 to 39 minutes. But it can change for you.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the end of the cooking.
Right in the
process.
cooking.
Yeah. We've cooked everything. And just so you know, if you ever get the box, you can look at the.
Alright, so after 45 minutes, or however long you have to bake yours, it should look like this. Wow! That looks just incredible. That's really, like, that's impressive.
Yeah,
Paul.
we're
Like,
impressive.
wow. We'll start cutting it. We'll see how it looks inside. It looks very good, though. Chloe, Andrew,
What? Okay.
you can cut some of it. Cut slices.
Oh. Oh, it's really soft.
It's a very soft brownie cookie dough combo. Are we doing it like 3x3? Okay.
How do we get it out?
So you know what? Since we're just such nice people, like the crew has really helped us a lot here.
Yeah.
All the microphone and camera people. We just wanted to give them a big thank you. So
Thank you.
you guys are welcome to try our cookie brownies. I will start putting them on plates and you can come up and take them. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
Thank
Everyone
you.
say thank you. Andrew, say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Alright, the slices are it's gonna come out. Oh, it's soft.
Yeah, that's why
Like, it's still.
Who want it? Who want a bite?
it's not gonna come.
You went who next, man? When? Who next?
Is this the knife you cut your hand with?
What?
Is this the knife you cut your hand with?
I don't know. I wasn't
Because we
bleeding at
just
the
cut
time.
out pieces.
Who want to eat? KK. You win. Man, who next, man? Who?
Just take one.
Who want to eat? Rand, come on, Rand. Give it a try.
I'm eating one.
I know. It's like.
I don't think that.
We need more forks.
It's just wait a minute. It's just wrong. I don't think that's cooked properly. Hey, there's
We did our
there's a knife in mine. It's not even cooked properly.
That's the best
Don't
looking
tell
one.
me how to do my job.
Yeah, here's a fork if you need it. We only have 3 forks for some reason.
Yeah, we have no forks.
Dude, liquid brownie tastes so good.
Yeah!
Yeah.
It was good.
no one's eating this one.
Does anyone else want brownies?
Oh my god.
If you're getting some.
COVID friendly.